Okay, so this one is gonna be kind of like getting your heart rate down. It's almost like a line dance. You do the same thing over and over. We're gonna go 4 corners, which means if you do at home, you're gonna be not facing us. So you have to really feel your body and not think, but actually move your body without me telling you what to do, which is the goal anyway, right? I want you to be able to dance without my help, knowing the moves and kind of getting into it. But I am gonna break it down so that you have a really good idea of what we do 4 times as we move around the room. You're gonna start with the foot that's facing me. I don't know for you, you might be more comfortable with your left. We have our right foot facing up. And you're gonna go 1, 2, and then your other foot is gonna go shoulder, shoulder as you face this direction. And then you're just gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then you're facing the back. And you're gonna do the same exact thing. 1, 2, shoulder, shoulder, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then you're ready to do it again. Okay, you go around 2 times with that. And then when the verse kicks in, you'll know this song, you're gonna go, your left foot, my right foot, you're gonna go up, pump, pump, okay? And so you're gonna be like this. This is a little tricky. Pump, pump, knee, knee, right? And then feet together, dance, feet together, dance. And then, I'm trying to think what it is. Oh yeah. So you're gonna pick up this foot that you started with. It might be your left foot, and you're gonna go ba, 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 ha, ha. Then it's ready to go again. Bump, bump, left, pump, da, da, dance, dance, pick it up, up, running man. I'll do it 1 time, facing this way, and pump, da, 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 and dance, dun, 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 ha, ha. Once you get around, you go right back into this. And that's it the whole time. So it's kind of like a line dance. When you go to the club, you and your girlfriends can just bust this out.